Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, minimalist packing. If you're like me and prefer to travel light, or maybe you're just tired of lugging around heavy suitcases, this video's for you. I'm going to share my top tips for packing smart, traveling light, and still having everything you need. So, let's get started. First things first, the key to minimalist packing is all about planning. You need to know what you're bringing and why you're bringing it. Start by making a list of the essentials. And when I say essentials, I mean the absolute must-haves. Think clothing, toiletries, electronics, and travel documents. If it's not essential, leave it at home. Tip 1. Choose the right bag. Let's talk about bags. When you're packing light, you want something compact, but with enough compartments to keep things organized. A small carry-on or a large backpack is perfect. Look for something durable and lightweight. Remember, you're going to be carrying this around, so you don't want it to be a burden. Tip 2. Pack versatile clothing. Next, let's talk about clothes. You don't need to bring your entire wardrobe. The trick is to pack versatile clothing that you can mix and match. Choose neutral colors so everything goes together. A couple of pairs of pants, a few shirts, and 1 or 2 lightweight sweaters or jackets should do the trick. And don't forget about layering. It saves space and gives you more outfit options. Tip 3. Roll. Don't fold. This one's a game changer. Instead of folding your clothes, roll them. It saves space and keeps your clothes from getting too wrinkled. You can even use packing cubes or compression bags to keep things even more organized and compact. Trust me, once you start rolling, you'll never go back to folding. Tip 4. Travel-size toiletries. Now, let's talk toiletries. You don't need full-sized bottles of shampoo or conditioner. Invest in travel-size toiletries or reusable travel bottles. You can also find solid versions of things like shampoo and soap, which are great because they don't count as liquids. This is especially important if you're carrying on your luggage. Tip 5. Minimize electronics and gadgets. We all love our gadgets, but they can take up a lot of space and add weight. Stick to the essentials. If you're bringing a laptop, make sure it's lightweight. Consider a tablet or smartphone for most of your needs. And don't forget your chargers. A universal adapter is also a lifesaver if you're traveling internationally. Tip 6. Leave room for souvenirs. Here's a tip that's easy to forget. Leave some space in your bag for souvenirs. You're going to want to bring back something from your trip, and if your bag is already packed to the brim, you'll be struggling to fit everything. A little extra space goes a long way. Tip 7. Wear your bulkiest items. Host. Here's a trick to save space. Wear your bulkiest items while traveling. This could be a jacket, a pair of boots, or a heavy sweater. By wearing these items on the plane or during transit, you're freeing up valuable space in your bag. Plus, airplanes can get cold, so you might end up thanking yourself for the extra layer. Tip 8. Use multi-use items. When packing, look for items that can serve multiple purposes. A sarong, for example, can be used as a beach cover-up, a scarf, or even a picnic blanket. A versatile pair of shoes that can be used for walking and casual outings is a great space saver. The more flexible your items are, the less you need to pack. Tip 9. Digitize documents and books. Traveling with a bunch of paper can be cumbersome, so digitize as much as you can. Keep copies of your travel documents, like passports and tickets, on your phone or in the cloud. This way, you have backups in case you lose something. If you like to read, consider using an e-reader or a tablet instead of carrying physical books. It's a huge space saver. Tip 10. Pack your own snacks. Host. Finally, don't forget to pack some snacks. Not only is it a smart move for long flights or road trips, but it can also save you money. Pack some nuts, dried fruit, or granola bars in reusable bags or containers. This way, you have something to munch on without having to buy overpriced snacks at the airport or on the road. And there you have it, my top minimalist packing tips for your next adventure. I hope you found these helpful and that you're ready to travel light. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and guides. Let me know in the comments what your best packing tip is. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and see you on our next adventure.